Hello everyone, I am Meg, an aspiring VA, especially focusing on bookkeeping. Today, as part of my journey, I am studying basic accounting concepts and I will share them with you based on my own understanding. If there are any experienced bookkeeper or accountants who might watch my videos, please feel free to comment to let me know if my understanding is correct or if you'd like to add any insights. I'd be happy to accept your suggestions and correction because that will also help me to learn from this field. So let's dive for the first basic accounting concept that I will share with you today, and this is the entity concept. In entity concept, the business expenses are separate from the owner's or personal expenses. So for better understanding, I will give you example and I will use my husband's business in incorporating the concepts that we will learn today. So in entity concept, imagine that my husband as the owner bought a coffee machine for their business. So the business expenses or the money used in purchasing the coffee machine must be recorded in the business accounting book. However, if my husband bought a new pair of shoes, that must not be recorded in the business's accounting book because that is not related in the business and that is only his personal wants. As a owner, we should not uh, take cash out of the register just to buy shoes or for our personal needs. So we should also need to understand that business money must be separate from our personal money or the business money must not be used to buy personal needs or wants. Why is it important? Why entity concept is important? First is for clarity and accuracy. So financial statement must show only business through financial performance and positions. If we mix personal and business transactions, it will be confusing to everyone. The second is for fair reporting to outsiders. Investor, banks, and tax authorities needs to see how the business itself is doing, not the owner's finances. Third is for legal reasons. In some cases, the law treats the business as separate person. So this separation protects the owner's personal assets from the business's liabilities. So fourth is for better decision making. So with a clean and separate records, the owners will clearly see if their business is profitable, when they can reduce the cost, or should they expand. So those are the importance of entity concept in accounting. And that will be all for today and see you for the next basic accounting concept. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.